Did you know that the coffee grounds you throw away every morning can help your green chili plants grow healthier, greener, and produce more chilies? Instead of throwing them in the trash, turn them into a simple homemade plant booster. Start with 1 liter of warm water and add 2 tablespoons of dried coffee grounds. Make sure the coffee grounds are completely dry before using them. This helps prevent mold and allows nutrients to be released slowly into the soil. Mix well and let the solution sit for 24 hours. By the next day, the water will turn a light brown color, showing that it's ready to use. Before applying the solution, remove any weeds around your chili plants and gently loosen the top layer of soil. This helps the roots absorb nutrients more effectively. Now pour about 200 to 300 milliliters of the solution around each green chili plant. Coffee grounds add organic matter to the soil, improve moisture retention, and support beneficial microorganisms that help keep roots healthy. They may also help discourage some common garden pests. For an extra nutrient boost, mix 2 tablespoons of dried coffee grounds with 2 tablespoons of finely crushed eggshells. Sprinkle this mixture around the base of your chili plants, keeping it about 30 to 45 centimeters away from the stem. Then gently mix it into the topsoil and water lightly. The coffee grounds help improve soil structure, while the eggshells provide calcium that supports stronger stems, healthier leaves, and better chili production. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other gardening lovers. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next gardening video.